Hey guys, I have here the Spantain P30 GPS drone and I'm going to do the unboxing and the full assembly and also the first flight. Inside the box you have the carrying case which contains the drone, the controller and the battery and also the charging cable. This is the battery for the P30. You get a single battery. You will also get a charging cable USB-C to USB-C, and finally here's the drone, the P30. It comes with a built-in GPS. This P30 is relatively small. All that matters is the build quality. The P30 comes with a built-in camera that is of quality 4K and also it has stabilization. So here's the drone fully installed. I just need to remove the plastic protecting the camera and insert the battery and we can start playing with the controller. The controller is going to take most smartphones for video streaming and you just need to install the joystick on the controller before we can turn it on. It is very easy. You simply need to take it out of the slot where it is sitting and screw it on the controller. The controller and the drone both have USB-C port for charging. You press the power button first, you will see the controller state of charge and the battery remaining. You keep pressing and hold it for 3 seconds. The controller is going to turn on. For the P30, you just press and hold the power button. This is the summary of everything you need to know about the drone, and this alone lets you fly the drone. I connected my iPhone 13 mini to the drone Wi-Fi signal and I can see the 4K quality of the drone, but you need to calibrate the drone first. In order to do that, you just need to rotate the drone on the horizontal and then rotate the drone on the vertical. Here's the camera quality on this P30. It is 4K and as you can see it is very good. You just need to calibrate the drone once and after that you can use the drone every time. Here's the P30 flying. As you can see it is very stable. The first thing that I noticed was the stability of the drone. Since this is a GPS drone, there is a button on the controller for the drone to come back to its initial position. Now I can go fly the drone really high.